Hi guys, welcome to Pit Stop. So we are going to do a very interesting thing today, which is nothing but drag racing. Yes, you heard it right. So I have my new long-term car, which is the all-new Hyundai Venue. This is not just a normal variant of the Venue. This is the top spec variant. If you ask me, this is the Hyundai 1-liter turbo with DCT gearbox. Yes. So if you want a driver's delight kind of car in the Venue variants, then this is the car which you should buy. There is also a manual transmission variant, but this is exclusively the top spec, which comes with 7-speed DCT. So what we get under the hood is a 1-liter turbo engine, which has got 120 bhp of maximum power. So what are we going to do? We are going to do drag racing with which car? So I am going to introduce you a 10-year-old Maruti Suzuki Swift, which is right here, which has got a 1.2-liter engine, diesel engine, which is of course a turbo as well. And this car is 10-year-old. And what are we going to do with this? We are going to do a drag racing. Let's see how fast each of these cars can finish a quarter mile. So that is the challenge today. And why did I pick this car? Because this is an all-time driver's delight. It still runs like a very very good, proper maintained car, and the engine is kick-ass even now. So even if you are going for a drive on Sundays, the engine performs really well. So that's why this is one of my all-time favorite cars, and that's why to compete with the 1-liter turbo Venue, I have taken a 10-year-old Swift, because I'm pretty much confident that this can beat this. So that's what we are going to check today. And so before getting into the video, guys, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So this is the 10-year-old engine, which was sourced from Fiat. So you will be knowing pretty well, because that was a very famous engine even now. And the DDIS 1.2-liter diesel, which has got 74-75 bhp of power, and it's a diesel. So we are going to do a drag racing with the all new Hyundai Venue, which has got a 1-liter turbo petrol. So it's written turbo GDI over here. So 1-liter engine means the capacity of the engine will be just as much as how much it can carry in a 1-liter bottle. So with all the additional stuff, this is how the engine bay looks, and it looks neat actually. So what else? It has got a 7-speed DCT transmission, which is the highlight if you ask me. So let us do a proper drag racing between these two cars and find out which can perform well. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. Swift 2010 model Swift ആണ്. Third gear 100, third gear 100. Stop the timer. I have to go back and check the actual time here. എത്ര time? 19.83. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, start. First gear, 6,200 rpm. Okay, 120 speed crossed. Was awesome actually. So anyways, the Venue will be winning this game, I'm pretty sure about that. But let us see how much difference is coming. I am expecting at least 3-second difference, because Venue is a brand new car and the Swift is a decade old car. But I'm confident about Swift as well. Let us check the timing first. എത്രയായി? 18.12. What? Can you believe this? Seriously? 2020 Venue versus 2010 Swift VDI. Wow, that was actually crazy because I didn't expect just a 1 second difference from the Swift, because I expected at least 3 second difference. So the Venue Turbo actually crossed in 18.12 seconds, and the Swift diesel, 10-year-old Swift diesel crossed the point by around 18.8 seconds. So almost like 1.2 or 1.3 second difference, and that is killer performance by the Swift, I would say, because considering its age and considering its power, you have to I will have to remind you guys that the Venue Turbo is 120 bhp of power, and the Swift has got only 75 bhp of power, but it's a 10-year-old car. Let me tell you, it's a 10-year-old car. So it's killer performance by Swift. I am actually pretty impressed by the way it performed. Just 1.2 or 1.3 second difference. That's awesome actually. So this was fun making this video. So guys, hope you guys liked it, and we'll be doing more of this kind of stuff. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and please do hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications when we upload a new video. And please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So myself, I am Shamnas, and our pages, all the page names are like Pit Stop Weekly, so please follow that. And my Instagram handle is MS Shamnas, so please follow that as well if you are interested to follow my daily updates and stuff. So guys, hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and support. We'll be coming back with similar videos, so hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.